India and France are advancing towards finalizing a $300 million defense deal that will see the Indian Air Force acquire a substantial batch of additional SCALP cruise missiles. The order could include 100 to 150 units aimed at replenishing and expanding the existing inventory. The move follows the missile's proven effectiveness during Operation Sindoor in 2025, when Indian Rafale jets used SCALP missiles to conduct precise strikes on terrorist facilities deep inside Pakistan. The SCALP EG, the French designation for a missile also known as Storm Shadow in its British version, is a long-range air-launched cruise missile designed specifically for standoff precision strikes. It measures about 5 meters in length, weighs approximately 1,300 kilograms, and carries a 450-kilogram warhead optimized for penetrating hardened targets. Launched from fighter aircraft like the Rafale at high altitude, the missile deploys wings and activates a turbofan engine for sustained subsonic flight. Its export range configuration exceeds 250 kilometers, though operational versions can reach well beyond 500 kilometers. After release, it descends to very low altitudes, often between 30 and 50 meters above ground, and follows pre-programmed waypoints while hugging terrain to avoid detection. This low-level flight path keeps the missile below most radar coverage until it reaches the target area, allowing the launching aircraft to remain far outside enemy air defense zones. A key reason for the renewed interest in SCALP is its proven resistance to electronic jamming, a critical advantage in modern contested airspace where adversaries routinely attempt to disrupt missile guidance through GPS spoofing or radio interference. The missile employs a layered, redundant navigation system that reduces dependence on any single method prone to interference. It begins with an inertial navigation system that uses internal gyroscopes and accelerometers to track position and velocity purely through physical measurements, requiring no external signals. Mid-course updates can incorporate GPS when available, but the system is designed to continue accurately even if GPS signals deteriorate or are lost entirely. The core of its jam-resistant capability lies in terrain contour matching navigation. As the missile flies at low altitude, a radar altimeter continuously measures the distance to the ground beneath it. These measurements create a real-time profile of the terrain's elevation changes, which the onboard computer compares against detailed digital maps loaded before launch. The warhead further enhances effectiveness against fortified structures. It uses a two-stage BROACH system. A precursor-shaped charge first punches a hole through concrete or earth, followed immediately by the main high-explosive charge that detonates inside the target. This design ensures destruction of underground command centers, reinforced bunkers, or critical infrastructure that ordinary warheads might fail to penetrate. For the Indian Air Force, adding more SCALP missiles substantially strengthens long-range precision strike options. The Rafale SCALP combination allows pilots to engage high-value targets hundreds of kilometers away without entering heavily defended airspace, preserving both aircraft and crew. In scenarios involving Pakistan, the missile enables rapid surgical responses to cross-border terrorism by neutralizing launch pads or command facilities deep inside enemy territory, as demonstrated in Operation Sindoor. Against China, with its extensive depth and advanced air defense networks along the northern borders, SCALP provides the ability to strike airfields, logistics hubs, bridges, or command posts far beyond the front line. Such capability forces adversaries to disperse assets and invest heavily in wide-area defenses, complicating their operational planning and creating strategic dilemmas. The missile complements other systems in India's arsenal. While the supersonic BrahMos offers speed and overwhelming kinetic impact at shorter ranges, SCALP prioritizes stealth, survivability, and extended reach against sophisticated defenses. Its low observability, achieved through reduced radar cross-section, low-altitude flight, and minimal emissions, makes early detection difficult, often leaving defenders little time to react before impact. Increasing the inventory ensures the Air Force can sustain multiple waves of strikes if required, rather than rationing limited stocks during prolonged tensions. This procurement also reflects broader strategic priorities. By expanding a combat-proven weapon system, India reinforces deterrence without escalating to larger conventional conflict. Possessing reliable deep strike options signals to potential aggressors that violations of sovereignty will face precise and proportionate consequences. At the same time, the deal deepens defense cooperation with France, diversifying India's supplier base away from over-reliance on any single partner amid global supply chain uncertainties. The original Rafale package included SCALP integration, and follow-on orders build on that foundation, ensuring long-term sustainment and potential future upgrades. Overall, the additional SCALP missiles equip the Indian Air Force with a mature, resilient tool for precision operations in high-threat environments. The combination of standoff range, penetration capability, and robust anti-jamming features addresses key vulnerabilities exposed in modern conflicts worldwide, positioning India to maintain air superiority and protect national interests effectively across its challenging neighborhood.